Airport. Where are we? See, where are we?
So please remove any headphones and listen carefully.
In the seat pocket in front of you, you'll find a safety instruction card.
It has all sorts of safety information, with info on emergency doors and escape routes, oxygen masks, how to use the life jacket, brace position and more.
You'll find even more safety info in our Inflight magazine. Please be aware of the safety signs in the cabin and follow all instructions given by our crew.
This plane has 8 emergency exits. These are clearly marked and we're pointing them out to you now. There are 2 doors at the rear of the cabin, 4 overwing exits in the centre, and 2 doors at the front.
To help you find your way to the exits when there is reduced lighting and visibility, we have additional lighting in the ceiling and in the aisle along the floor. Take a look for your nearest exits now, bearing in mind that they may be behind you.
If you need to leave the plane quickly, take off your shoes or anything that may damage the slide. Leave all luggage behind and go to your nearest usable exit.
If there's a change in cabin pressure, masks like these will appear from the panel above your head. As soon as you see it, pull down to start the flow of oxygen. Remove any face mask and breathe normally as you put it over your mouth and nose and adjust to fit. Make sure you put your own mask on first before helping anyone else. The bag on the mask may not inflate, but rest assured that oxygen will still be flowing.
A life jacket is located under your seat. When told by the cabin crew, remove it from its bag by pulling the tab. And pull it over your head. Put the strap around your waist, fasten at the front as we are showing you, and tighten by pulling the tab.
Once you're outside the plane, inflate the life jacket by pulling down on takes your fancy, and we'll be with you soon.
Iceland.
Enjoy our selection of beers and ciders today with our buy three for £13.50.
That looks tasty.
It's time to wind down with any two.
Well, there's North Moors. North York Moors National Park. Is a boat.
Due to us changing supplier, we do now have a great range of brands and a fabulous selection of products which we've never stocked before. And so with the perfumes and cosmetics, there are savings of up to 60% off the high street price. Now the lowest discount battery, and they do all come with a 5-year guarantee. Now on the watches, there are savings of up to £150 to be had on those.
Can't see the curvature of the earth. It's really flat.